Finding love is a journey that varies for everyone, but here are some key steps to consider. Understand yourself, your values, interests, and what you seek in a partner. Self-awareness helps you attract compatible matches. Engage in activities and communities that interest you. This expands your social circle and increases the chances of meeting someone with similar interests. Be open to new experiences and people. Love can come from unexpected places, so don't limit yourself. Effective communication is vital. Express your feelings, intentions, and expectations clearly, and listen actively to your partner. Be genuine and true to yourself. Authenticity builds trust and strengthens relationships. Love takes time to develop. Be patient and allow relationships to evolve naturally. Work on personal growth and development. Being the best version of yourself enhances your attractiveness and compatibility with potential partners. Set healthy boundaries and respect those of others. This fosters mutual respect and understanding. Remember, love is a journey, and it's important to enjoy the process while being open to the possibilities that come your way.